this is the HUAWEI FreeBuds SE for ANC Active Noise Cancellation. The name is very long. So this earbuds, it's very nice. I've been using it for like few days now because I got it, I think that was last week or something, if I can remember correctly. And I love this because it's an active noise cancellation earbuds in case you are someone who doesn't like noise, but you can use it. And here you can see it has this button. I don't know what it's called, but I think you can use it to like reset it, something like that. And I also love this board because number one is that it suits, like it fits my ear very nice and cuddly, and it's also very comfortable. So, and look at here, we have the app which you can do a lot of things, and I love the way it is here. You can see it has different controls. You have noise cancellation, you have like, let me just bring it out one of this, and put it here, and see it has like the ultra, the general, the cozy, the dynamic, which means it depends on the place you are. If you are in a noisy place, you can put it in ultra. If you are like, the dynamic is it switches when it senses with the microphone inside, and see if you're in a noisy place or in a bar or in a cafe or just anything. Then this is general. It said ideal for noisy place, and the ultra is for extremely noisy place, let's say for maybe at the train station, at the airport. Then this cozy place is like where there's little noise. Then dynamic, it selects, like it says, automatically adjust noise cancellation based on your surrounding, ear canal, and the wearing posture. So this one is basically the one I use for at home, but I use this ultra when I'm on the road or something. Then if you go back, you can see that it shows you how many percentage that is remaining on both earbuds, even the case itself. So the case is at 68% now. And sound effect, you can control your sound effect here and see how it works. You know, you can, but I put mine on bass boost because I love bass boost. I love when you're playing the music and you can easily identify the bass from the voice of the person or the singer. Then this is the gesture, which if you tap on the left hand side, I just, you can re-edit it how you want, but this is how I put mine. Double tap on the left board to, play and pause. And then on the right board is also play and pause, because sometimes I did it this way, in the sense when I'm, riding a bicycle, it will be easier for me to control both the right and the left with the play and pause. Now, if you go for the next one, you see the previous triple tap, which is the one I put for mine is the left board will be for the previous song, and the right board will be for the next song. So if you come to press and hold for me is you change it for the noise control, and then the right board is to wake the voice assistant. And here I just left it because I am hoping that I'm going to find something to put here, maybe just call or none, but it just depends on what you want. So everyone with their own choices. So if you go back in the app, and then you can see experimental features, which is these are the new ones. They said it's still like in the beta base, so it's not yet been rolled out. So what you can try and see if it works. That's what they're saying. And then this is the earbud settings. You can put it to low audio latency. This is in case you're at the airport, and it helps you when you're making call. And this is the update of the, like, if it's updated. And I love the app. The intuition is so nice. Like, this is my first HUAWEI product, and I decided, I'm a tech reviewer, let me just see if I can review different types of tech, not only having one particular thing, because you guys know I'm a Sanctum fan. So you see, this is the name and everything. So that's just it for the app. You can download it. The app is called, I think the app is called HUAWEI, let me check, HUAWEI Audio Connect. So in case you have or like other Huawei products, you can just tap here, tap here, and then it searches for the product, and then you can add it. Maybe if you have the watch or another type of thing, you can then add it. And when you come about comfortability, this is very nice. It's small. It looks a bit like my previous earphone, the HUAWEI, but I love this because of how sleek and fine it is, and I love it in white, because obviously white is an indicator. If you're putting this on, people will know that, okay, fine, maybe this person is not interested in talking to people. And yeah, that's just it. I will show you guys how it looks like on my ears right now. So this is the headset, sorry, the earbuds. I don't know why I keep calling it headset. So see guys, it's not even noticeable that I'm hearing something unless I turn. And look, it's very small, it's compact, it's nice, it's comfortable. I love it. So if you guys want to get this, you can check other reviews also. If you trust what I say, and you know that I always give honest reviews on this. I'm also going to give like a real detailed, or sorry, maybe let's say in-depth review further later in the months to come by to see how it holds up. So this is it, the HUAWEI FreeBuds SE. So that's it. And yeah, if you guys love it, you can cop one for yourself right now. And see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe.